Hey guys, what's up? It's Best Card Prodigy here, and I have two packages. And I'm gonna open this one first because it's not cards, and I can do the slow roll. So, I know what this is. It is this little thing. I know it's pretty cool. Okay, now for this package. Start with I'll just give them first. That is Brandon McGee, Leaf, Draft, Autograph. And now for the next one. Now this one I like a whole lot better. Boom. Auto jersey. That is Fernand Morency. Nice card. Numbered out of 1,275. And this one won't need the number. So guys, these are for sale. This is for me. But guys, it's been Best Card Prodigy, and I'm out.